This is Axiom Pro, and last night I deposited 25 Solana into this wallet, and as you can see by my balance, I currently have 92 SOL. So if you do the math, here's the price of Solana right now. That's about $9,500 in profit just in the last 12 hours from trading. So in this video, I want to walk you through how I was able to use Axiom and pretty much 3x my money in less than 12 hours. And I want to walk you through my top trades. As you can see, this was a 38 SOL profit trade, 33 SOL, 4.7, 3.2. And I'm also going to walk you through the losses because I believe it's just as important to talk about the losses that you're taking while you're also talking about the wins. Because as you can see by the chart, it's not all ups and downs. As long as you're slowly climbing up and having these massive swings up in profit, that's all that matters in the long run. Let's take a step back. I'm going to show you these trades here in a second and walk you through them. But 99% of the time when you're trading, you're going to be sitting on this screen here, which is called Pulse. This is pretty much a scope where you can see all the new coins that are being created, deployed, and graduating. So here you go from left to right. These are the coins that are being created right now. These are the coins that are close to being graduated, and these are the coins that have just graduated. So you can see the coins that are having the highest market cap, trading with the most volume, and just catching on right now. So this Emojify coin is actually the coin that's getting the most traction right now. As you can see by the chart, looks pretty strong. Holders looks pretty strong. This is a coin that I could have potentially entered had I not been recording this video because I'm not too focused on it right now. I kind of want to walk you through the old stuff. But this is how I find new coins. This coin ran up. This coin probably could go higher, could go lower by the time I'm done recording this video. And maybe I would have bought it, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to walk you through these trades. So this was the top trade I took on this account in the last 12 hours. It's called FUR. I actually took this trade as soon as I woke up this morning. I kind of saw it was trending on the Pulse tab earlier. As you can see, I got a very early entry on this coin. Now, what is this coin? It's called Furification. Sometimes when I start off, I like to see, what's the actual logo of the coin. So this is actually the Solana logo. They kind of modified it into this Furification style. And when I click here, so Axiom has everything built in, you can kind of just click the X logo here, and this will take you to the links and kind of show you what's popping off right now. So as you can see, a lot of these companies are posting this furified version of their logo, which is kind of why it got traction. And as you can see, there's tons of Web 2, Web 3 companies posting this logo, and it is still catching on, still gaining steam. But when I saw this, it was about 78K market cap. I bought in with about 8 Solana. Sold a tiny bit of the position here at about 250K. Kind of rode it out a little bit longer. And sold a little bit more here at 500K, a little bit more here at 430K. And then I kind of walked away from the PC as a whole. And then it came back about an hour and a half later and kind of sold the rest of the position here. And then a cool thing is that coins aren't just going to die out of nowhere once they gain traction like this. So in hindsight, it was definitely too soon to sell the rest of the position here, but I kind of wanted to capture the gains. Obviously 8 SOL into 46 SOL, that's 500% return. Like, I'm happy with that return. Even if I would have held it a little bit longer, that would have been 6, 7, 800% return. But at the end of the day, I am happy with this return. But now the reason it continued on this stretch up here is actually the owner of Solana. One of the founders, his name is Raj. He actually interacted with this token. And a cool thing about Axiom is you can actually implement a Twitter tracker here. So I'm going to show you the tweet and then I'll come back to Axiom. So Raj, when you scroll back up, he actually had one of the highest responses on this token. So he said the FUR is fine, kind of validating the token, which kind of sent it on this next leg up. But if you copy let's say he interacts with the token in the future, you copy his username, add Twitter handle here on Axiom. Twitter, you add handle, add username, paste his username. There's his username added. Now from now on, we'll see Twitter alerts here. If he ever tweets anything, it'll pop up. And you can, while you're sitting back during a trade, you can have the Twitter tracker open right here on the side. And as you can see, here are his previous tweets. And if he tweets maybe, or anybody else, let's say you add some other notable accounts, if they tweet about the token, you can kind of buy on this dip here. I wasn't home for this, so I couldn't really see it after I sold, but you can kind of buy on this dip here and kind of ride it up for free. Let's see, this return was about 200% returns. So honestly, it's coins like this that you're going to make a lot of money on. I sold a little bit too soon, but 500% returns in just about under 2 hours. We'll take that every day of the week. Now, I do believe Axiom still is private, so when you do use the link down in the description and the comments, I'm going to pin it down there as well. You're going to be able to use the entire trading terminal. You can see they have the P&L tracker, they have Twitter tracker, wallet trackers. You can see everything that's going. It's completely free. And when you use that code down below, you're going to save on trading fees. So you're going to get a portion of that money back that you're spending when you click on this rewards tab. Now, my second best trade was Jobcoin. I actually caught on to this. This was also a Twitter trend, but when you kind of zoom back out on the chart, I actually did not buy into this coin early. So when you go back onto Furcoin, I actually bought that coin super early, under 100K market cap. But for this coin, I completely switched up the strategy and I kind of bought the local top. So a lot of people are scared to buy, they kind of think, it's already gone up so much. Let's see what's this return. This is already a 1900% return if you would have bought the dip. So a lot of people thought this, this is the top, it's not going to go higher. But I kind of did some research on Twitter. So let's see, you click this link. It automatically opens up Twitter for you, which is by far the easiest and fastest way to see the tokens that are trending. You can kind of see there's a community forming behind this token. And I actually did tweet about this token right after I bought it. Here's my Twitter, by the way. Give me a follow. Talk about coins and trades and stuff like that. I actually tweeted this kind of just jokingly, seeing what kind of responses I would get. The coin was trading at about 900K market cap when I tweeted it. So I tweeted it around here, and someone built out a community. It's got a bunch of members. The logo, the banner is cool. 900 members. It's kind of gaining traction, and I kind of liked that whole aspect. It actually really reminded me of a token from November. It was actually this coin right here. It was called $1, and the whole thesis was just buy $1 worth of this coin, and you're going to retire, you're going to make tons of money on it. And it actually held up for a really long time. As you can see by the graph, it actually, I believe, it went up to 90 million market cap. Kept going up and up and up. So this kind of reminded me in the sense of, a lot of people can get behind a token. So I know in crypto, I know in trading, a lot of people, if you're trading, your main goal is to quit your job or make enough money so that you don't have to work again. And as you can see, I actually sold earlier this morning, right before making this video. I actually sold some here, 15 sol in, 50 sol out, 225% returns. I was happy with the returns. So yeah, going back to the token, I bought here 600K market cap, different trading strategy from the other coin. Bought here. A lot of people would have thought this is the top. Held it for a little bit longer, sold a decent chunk of the position here, around 2 million market cap, just kind of like to capitalize on this return. So, bought here at 600K, had about 250% return off that top blast, which, in this sense, it's kind of a top blast. It's already gone up so much. So I sold a little bit of the position here. I sold it just to capitalize that 3x, went to sleep, and then I set a sell order in my account. And as you can see, the coin kept running up while I went to sleep. So my sell order did trigger here, about 2.7 million market cap. Same thesis with the other coin. I woke up, saw the token, kind of was moving sideways for a bit. So I just sold the rest of the position. So from the time I bought the token to the time I was fully out, I bought about 7:20 p.m. Eastern last night, and I sold the rest of the position here about 6:30 a.m. So that's about a 12-hour hold. Now, let's say I would have sold the whole position here on the first green candle. Obviously, I would have not come close to the 225% returns that I actually captured. Some trades you're going to hold for an hour. Some trades you're going to hold for 6 hours. Some trades you're going to hold for 12 hours like this one. And some trades you're going to hold for a week. It all really depends on the community behind the token, the chart, the patterns, how much you have invested, and a whole lot of different criterias. Top 2 trades on this account in the 12-hour span, 38 sol on this one, 32 sol on this one. That's about 70 sol just between these 2 trades. I'm not going to walk through these smaller ones down here, but as you can see, 5 sol, 3 sol, 1.3. Now let's walk through the losses to kind of show you how you can mitigate the losses and avoid these in the future. My biggest loss was actually OP, this duck coin. As you can see, these are the kind of charts you want to fully avoid. So I was in and out of this trade within, I think, 2 minutes. I kind of bought the top. I liked the narrative. When you use Axiom, you can kind of see the tweet right here. So it kind of named the duck, and it was kind of a funny narrative, so I bought it. And within 2 minutes, I saw a bunch of people start clipping tons of amounts. I saw a bunch of people clip heavy amounts, 50%. They just started clipping as soon as I bought. So, I told myself I'm going to slowly get out of it, sold out, and invested 14 sol, got out with 10. So risk management, I was about minus 30%. I wasn't really going to hold it down longer than that. Quick trades like this are going to be frequent, especially when you are on the pulse tab here. A lot of these coins are going to go up and down super quick. The whole point is you want to mitigate the risk and you want to capture as much upside without risking as much downside. Minus 30%, took the hit, on to the next trade. This token is also similar. Thought the narrative was funny. This token was actually interesting because I bought the dip on this token. So it kind of went up. I thought it was a cool narrative. I caught onto it late. Here I am with Axiom. This is the only tool that can allow you to show tweets in-house without having to actually click on them, but you can also click on them. But it is much easier and faster just to hover over it right here. I saw this tweet. It was affiliated by the US government. They kind of had this ticker Cody, so I kind of saw it late. It already went up to 139K pretty quickly without me, so I kind of told myself I'm going to buy the dip here. Bought the dip here, bought the dip here, bought the dip here, and as you can see, it's kind of getting absolutely destroyed from 70K market cap down to 16K. Held it down to around here. Had the stop loss in place. This one was also just an internal stop loss. I told myself minus 30% down. I'm going to sell the position. Sold it down here. Had one more little wick up for 140% return. Could have held it a little bit longer maybe. But, I'm fine. The other two wins far outweighed this loss. So I told myself it's fine. I took the minus 30% loss. Saw the chart had this little wake back up for 150% return. Told, it's fine. You're not going to hit every single play. Like, obviously, it would have been good to sell here before this eventual fall off here. But, sometimes you just put the stop loss in place internally. Minus 30% for me. Sometimes I go minus 40, 50, 60% depending on the narrative. But as long as you trade like this, mitigate the losses early. This coin eventually went to zero pretty much. Yeah, 5.2K market cap. As long as you do that over and over and over again and catch good stuff early, like this coin, if it would have kept going, maybe 200, 300, 400K, I would have obviously bought the dip or bought the top and held the position longer. But it's not always going to be like that. You are going to take wins. You are going to take losses. It's all about mitigating the losses, capturing the risk. And as you can see by the chart here, started off with $0, 3K invested. The profit here, $150 profit, $500 profit. Then I hit this job coin, 4.8K profit. Kind of took a couple losses on these trades down here. There's a couple small losses, minus 30%, minus 40%, minus 70%. And then I did hit Furcoin when I woke up this morning, up to 9K. And now here we are, plus 9.56K, 92 Solana. Those are the tokens I traded in the last 12 hours. That's kind of my trading strategy. But if you are using strategies like I am and the ones I'm talking in this video, you're going to capture a lot more upside than you are capturing downside. So that's the whole point of trading. I do strongly believe Axiom Pro is by far the best trading tool on the market right now. I've been using it for about a week and a half now. And this wallet, 25 to 92, I might do another video where we try to turn 100 into 200 or 100 into 300. Stick around for that video. If you guys want a full Axiom breakdown, they do have so many unique and cool features like the rewards. I'm not going to click on it right now, but I have received about 0.5 Solana back just for free and by trading and buying, because they do offer a cashback system where when you use a code and when you make trades, you get part of the money back. So of all these trades, even the tokens I lost money on, I received Solana back on those trades. So yeah, there's a lot of cool features here. Trackers, Pulse, Discover, so many ways to find new stuff early. Even from here, you can kind of see, maybe I'll do a live trading video and just kind of show you, walk you through. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. 25 sold to 92 in 12 hours. I'll make some more videos like this in the future. Make sure to use the first link in the description to sign up for Axiom. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. And I wish you guys good luck on your trading journeys. I'll make sure to post more educational content like this to kind of help you scale and build a portfolio. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.